Supriya Lohar, working as an assistant professor at All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. I am going to talk about ferrite materials. These materials are ideal for manufacturing different microwave devices like isolator, gyrator, and circulator. So let us see the different properties which makes this material ideal for the manufacturing different microwave devices. So first property is high resistivity, then no, with the dielectric constant around 10 to 15 and relative permeability of order of 1000. They have magnetic properties similar to those of the ferrous material. They are oxide-based components having general composition in the form of MeO.Fe2O3, that is the mixture of the metallic oxide and the ferric oxide. They are obtained by firing powder oxides of the material at 1100 degrees Celsius and pressing them into different shapes. This processing gives them the added characteristics of the ceramic insulators so that they can be used at the microwave frequencies. Ferrite have atoms with a large number of the spinning electrons, resulting in a strong magnetic properties. These magnetic properties are due to the magnetic dipole moment associated with the electron spin. Because of these properties, ferrite find application in number of microwave devices to reduce the reflected power, for modulation purposes, and in switching circuits. Because of its high resistivity, they can be used up to 1000 GHz. Ferrites have one more peculiar property which is useful at the microwave frequencies, that is non-reciprocal properties. When two circularly polarized wave, one rotating clockwise and other anti-clockwise, are made to propagate through ferrite, the material reacts differently to two rotating fields, thereby presenting different effective permeabilities to both the waves. The plane of polarization of this wave will rotate with the distance, and a phenomena known as Faraday's rotation. And this Faraday's rotation is the working principle of different microwave devices like gyrator, isolator, and circulator. Thank you.